Welcome to another edition of RC Electronics Repair. What's inside? Now today we have a rather particular item. This is called a vape pod, specifically the Smok rpm5 80-watt vape pod system. And today we're going to be taking this item apart just to see what's inside one of these devices. Now, what this device is a device that substitutes for a cigarette for those who want to smoke but don't want to have the scent or the taste of a regular cigarette. Now, this device is also called a e-cigarette, and it comes with a 2000 milliamp battery. It's capable of 5 to 80 watts output, and it can hold up to 6.5 liters of your favorite flavor of, as they would call it, Juul. Many of these pod devices comes with a high concentration of nicotine. In one vape pod can contain so much nicotine as a full pack of cigarette or more. Now, while nicotine-free pods do exist, most pod system contains nicotine levels ranging from 10 milligram to 50 milligram, which can be highly addictive. Now let's get to see what's inside this specific device. Now don't forget to give a like and subscribe and a comment.